What's up, people? Today is day 5. It's been raining all day. I actually missed yesterday. After day 4 I was meant to go the following day, but the weather was so horrible and it doesn't look like it's going to get any better, so I'm gonna have to go today. I might not run, I'll just do brisk walking, and I'll check because it's raining. So yeah, let's go. Day 5. I know this looks funny. I've got my,
if you would like to book a call back, please press 1 at any time.
yeah, I'm on a phone call, but I'm to get an appointment booked.
Please hold.
Let me turn the volume down. Okay, so yeah, as I said, it's raining, horrible weather, but I'm trying to stay consistent with this 10 days challenge. So yeah, I'll just go for a walk today and we'll see if the weather gets better tomorrow, and maybe I'll go for a run. That's me. I've got a jumper and a jacket and an umbrella, so yeah. I hope you're good. I'm good. Let me get some rain. I miss this Ghana lifestyle. When we used to play under the rain. Okay. Alright, let's go. That's a lion. There's a lion over there. Okay. Alright, let's go. This weather is so funny. UK weather. Look, it looks sunny, but trust me, it's cold and raining. The sun is coming out, so I might have to turn the umbrella off. Guys, I'm still moving. Guess what? I have ended up at my sister's school. I will just see if she's still there, and I'll probably walk back home with her. Oh, I see her. I know if you can see her. She's over there with her friends. Hello. There she is. Okay, guys, so after being on the call for 44 minutes ish, they finally answered and I have been able to book in the appointment. So we almost home. Did I tell you? I had to stop videoing because she tripped. I can't believe she tripped. But she's okay. She's fine. Okay, so we are like 2-3 minutes away from home, and then we call it a day. Okay, guys, so day 5 done. It was great as usual, as always. The weather was funny, but yeah, we go again tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.